welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Natanya and I make videos for entrepreneurs who are looking to build a profitable business. If you're new to my channel and this is like your very first time here, welcome, and go ahead and just hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification so you know when I upload my next video. So today I'm going to be talking about 3 things that your business really should be doing during COVID-19. So if you want to learn about my business tips, keep on watching. So I've been getting asked this question a lot, and it is, do I continue to market my business as usual? And to simply answer that question, no. You want to create content that is sensitive to what is going on right now in the world. Literally, people are going through a pandemic. Like, the world is at an all-time halt. People are at home, people are losing their jobs, people are being diagnosed with COVID, unfortunately. So as an entrepreneur, you do not want to continue your business as usually as how you planned it to be for the next few months. You want to then create content that is reflecting what is going on right now in a very empathetic and sensitive way. You want to show your target audience that you are present, you are here, you're in the moment with them. You may not understand exactly how they're feeling because everybody's situation and story may be different right now, but you want to still come off as, I'm here with you, I'm standing in solidarity with you, I care about whatever it is that you're going through. So that is how you want to first shift your content as an entrepreneur and content creator. The second thing that you want to do with that is you want to create content that is educationally based. You want to create content that is giving value to your target audience. And I say this because right now, people are on the internet now more than ever before in history. People are working from home. People have lost their jobs, unfortunately. People are, scrolling through Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok. Right now would be the perfect time to show up right now during COVID by offering content that is educationally based, where you're teaching a skill, you're teaching a new mindset, you're teaching different strategies and tips for whatever your business is about for your target audience. So that's the type of content that you definitely want to be creating in an empathetic and sensitive way. You do not want to come off as tone deaf to your target audience during this time if you're just going to continue to push out and roll out content as how you normally planned it to be. So again, you want to create content that is sensitive. The second thing that you definitely want to do during this time is find a way to innovate your business where you can offer more services and more products online. So if you are a business that is brick and mortar, so if your business thrives off of, in-person interactions or in-person transactions, and now your business is unfortunately closed due to social distancing, then you want to find a way to creatively bring your exact business model and make it a way where you can still have an impact for your community online. So this could be something like offering coaching services online, or doing a webinar or doing a masterclass where you're still going to be teaching those same skills that you would have done in person, but you're going to be doing that online instead. And again, this is a great way where you're still going to be able to connect and communicate with your community and still having that presence online, so that way when COVID-19 does pass, people are still going to remember you as the entrepreneur who continued to show up, who continued to serve your target audience at the best of your abilities with content that was still meaningful and impactful. My last tip, something that you should be doing during this time, is you want to continue to show up for yourself. Do not think that right now people have so much going on that they don't care about my business, they don't care about my posts, I really shouldn't go live. Right now is the perfect time for you to go so hard for your business, to continue to have and build that online presence. People are craving this human connection. Now that we're all quarantined to our houses, people want to connect with you as the entrepreneur on an emotional and deeper level. And the way that you can do that is continue to show up for yourself, for your business, no matter what. Show people, show your target audience behind the scenes of things that you're working on. Show people the new plans or the new products that you want to roll out after COVID-19 is over. But you still want to show up, you still want to have that presence, you still want people to be able to see your face, hear your voice, and see your body language. That way, you're still going to have a place in people's minds even after COVID-19 passes. So those are my 3 tips on some things that your business should be doing during COVID-19. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any suggestions on what you want my next video to be about, go ahead and let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in my next video.